Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. There is a class of men, they are called Asuras. They are Surodvishan. They are always envious of the devotees. They are called demons. Just like Prahlad Maharaj and his father Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu is the father of Prahlad Maharaj. But because Prahlad Maharaj was a devotee, he became envious. That is the nature of the demon. So much so envious that he was prepared to kill his own son. The only fault is the little boy, he was chanting Hare Krishna. That is his fault. The father could not. Therefore, they are called Surodvisha, always envious of the devotees. Demon means always envious of the devotees. This material world is so nuisance place that just you have got a very nice example, just like Jesus Christ, Lord Christ. So what was his fault? But the Surodvisha, the envious person, killed him. If we analyze what is the fault of Jesus Christ, there is no fault. The only fault he was preaching about God. And still we find so many enemies, he was cruelly crucified. So you will always find this Surodvisha. So Krishna comes to kill this Surodvisha. Therefore, Badhaya cha Surodvisha. These envious persons are killed. But this killing business can be done without the presence of Krishna. Because there are so many natural forces, war, pestilence, famine, anything, just sit on working, millions of people can be killed. So Krishna does not require to come here to kill these rascals. They can be killed simply by Krishna's direction, nature's law. Prakriti kriyamanani guni karmani sarvas. Srishti sthiti pralaya sadhana shakti rika. The nature has got so much power that it can create, it can maintain, it can annihilate, dissolute everything. Nature is so powerful. Srishti sthiti pralaya. Srishti means creation. And sthiti means maintenance, and pralaya means discharge. These three things nature can do. Just like this creation, material creation, is natural, nature, cosmic manifestation. It is being maintained. By nature's mercy, we are getting sunlight, we are getting air, we are getting rains, and thereby we are growing our food, eating nicely, growing nicely. This maintenance also being done by nature. But at any time, everything can be finished simply by one strong wind. Nature is so powerful. So, for killing these demons, nature is already there. Of course, nature is working under the direction of Krishna. Maya dhakkena prakriti surati sa characharam. So, if Krishna says that the demons may be killed, then nature's one blast, one strong wind can kill millions of. So for that purpose, Krishna does not require to come. But Krishna comes, as it is stated here, that Jachita. Krishna comes when he is requested by his devotees like Vasudeva and Devaki. That is his coming. That is the cause of his coming. And simultaneously, when he comes, he also shows this, that anyone who is envious of my devotees, I kill them. I kill them. Of course, he is killing and maintaining the same thing. He is absolute. Those who are killed by Krishna, they immediately get salvation, which requires millions of years to get. So people say like that Krishna came for this purpose or that purpose. Actually, Krishna comes for the benefit of the devotees. Khemaya. What is the meaning of khemaya? For maintenance? For the good. For the good. For the good of the devotees. He is always after seeing good of the devotees. Therefore, from this instruction of Kunti, our business should be always how to become devotee. Then all good qualities will come upon us. Jasyasti bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gunai tattva samasati sura. If you simply develop your devotion, dormant devotion, natural devotion, we have got natural devotion. Just like father and son, there is natural affection, and the son has got natural devotion to the father or mother. Similarly, we have got our natural devotion. When we are actually in danger, even the scientists, they also pray to God. But when they are not in danger, they defy God. So therefore, danger is required in order to teach these rascals that there is God. So there is nature. Jive Swarupa Nitya Krishna Das. That is our natural. Artificially, we are trying to banish God. God is dead, there is no God, I am God, this God, that. This rascaldom we shall give up. Then we shall be given all protection by Krishna. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.